Welcome. The Apple Professional Learning website offers free professional development for teachers. You can access detailed guides for all default apps on your iPad, take optional quizzes and earn badges, and if you complete all the badges, you can even earn the title of Apple Teacher and show off to all of your friends. Here's some pro tips when using the site. OCPS doesn't create Apple IDs for you, so consider using your OCPS email anyway, just so you can quickly register and log in while you're at school. Also, consider using 2 devices so that you can follow along with the website. Now, we're going to go ahead and check out that Apple Teacher website. Visit the webpage, click on Sign Up, enter your Apple ID, and of course, if you don't have an Apple ID, you can create yours now. Once you sign up, you're in. You can find lesson plans, guides, and community. Today, we're going to focus on foundational skills. You can learn all about iPad apps and even Apple Classroom. Don't forget to select iPad. Scroll down and find the app that you'd like to learn more about, then the specific features. You can look at lessons in any order. Also, don't forget to follow along with your iPad. When you're ready, take the quiz for that app and earn the badge. Quizzes are only 5 questions long. Once you've collected all the badges for your iPad, you're an Apple Teacher. You can download a certificate and even a banner. Don't forget to register for the Apple Resource course and the PD catalog to stay up to date on all things iPad.